Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is part 9 of my 10-part series on artificial intelligence. Last time we saw how you can use AI tools in everyday life and what opportunities are generally available to you. Today we want to take a closer look at these tools and explore how you can try them out yourself and get started right away. Sit back and let's dive into the world of AI applications together. If this topic captivates you and you don't want to miss an episode, it's best to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. That way, you won't miss anything. Let's get started right away. Let's begin with text generation and interaction. The three most well-known AI tools in this area are certainly those from OpenAI, Google, and Jasper AI. But what differences actually distinguish these various platforms? With ChatGPT, you can quickly generate blog posts, articles, or even stories by simply providing a topic. It is primarily designed for generative text processing and conversation. This makes it ideal for creative texts, but also suitable as programming assistants or for creating chatbots. It is primarily aimed at developers, content creators, companies, and individuals. The counterpart from Google, on the other hand, is more focused on the integration of multimodal content, meaning text, image, audio, and video. It can combine information from various sources and present it in context. The target audience is therefore primarily companies that require comprehensive data processing and multimodal AI. Jasper offers similar functions but is particularly useful for marketing texts and advertising content. With Jasper you can create texts for search engine optimization and also develop creative campaign ideas. Additionally, there is RYTR, another excellent tool that is distinguished by its user-friendliness and speed. RYTR is particularly effective in creating social media content and short advertising texts. It also provides ideas and variations of texts that can then be further customized. All these tools offer the ability to quickly and easily generate high-quality texts without having to delve deeply into the subject. Advantages for your start is that almost every presented tool offers free versions, albeit usually with limited functionality. This also applies to most of the tools that follow, which cover additional applications for artificial intelligence. If you ever want to use a larger range of functions, you can switch to a paid subscription model at any time. These are usually subscription models. Now let's move on to the creative tools for image creation. With DALL from OpenAI you can generate images directly from text descriptions. For example, enter evening mood in a futuristic city where flying cars can be seen. And DALL will create the corresponding image. It is incredible how precisely and creatively the AI can respond to your inputs today. Midjourney is another exciting AI that generates images from text but prefers a somewhat more artistic painterly style. This AI is particularly suitable for artists who want to create unique, inspiring artworks. With Artbreeder you even have the possibility to alter or combine existing images to create new creations. For example, you can merge faces, landscapes, or fantasy figures here to create completely new artworks. These tools are ideal if you want to create visual art with little effort or adjust existing designs. Text-to-speech and audio editing. Descript is a powerful tool that transcribes audio and video recordings while allowing edits in the text. With it, you can also convert your own texts into speech. It offers a feature called overdub, which allows you to mimic a voice if you want to create audio files in the future. This feature is often used by podcasters and video producers. Murf is another tool for creating voice outputs. It offers a wide selection of voices and even emotional speech modulation, which significantly enhances the quality of the generated speech. Murf is great for creating voiceovers for videos and podcasts. ElevenLabs takes text-to-speech to the next level. It can not only read standard text but also generates very naturally sounding emotional speech outputs. Especially in the field of audiovisual media production, for example for films and explainer videos, ElevenLabs is an exciting choice. Create videos from texts. Now comes a tool that combines text editing with video. Pictory. With this tool, you can automatically create videos from your texts. It searches an extensive library of images and clips and generates a video that visually supports your content. You can then further customize the video by adding your own clips and music. Synthesia is also a very well-known tool for restoration. Here, you have the option to use virtual speakers to present your text. The special thing is that the speakers look realistic and can speak in different languages. Synthesia is often used for professional training videos and corporate communication. Lumen 5 offers a similar function and is known for creating quick and engaging videos for social media. Lumen 5 automatically converts your blog articles or texts into visual content and helps optimize them for platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Music composition with AI. For the music lovers among you, we have some AI-based music tools. AIVA is one of the leading platforms for music composition. You can specify the style and mood of your music to the AI, whether it's a classical orchestral piece or an electronic music track. AIVA then creates a complete song that you can further customize. Ampere Music is particularly well suited for creating background music and soundtracks. The AI offers easy customization options so you can perfectly tailor the music to your needs. It is excellent for content creators who regularly need music for videos. Jukebox is another AI for music composition, notable for its flexibility. You can easily adjust the length, style and mood of the music to create unique soundtracks for your projects. Translations and language understanding. When it comes to translations, DeepL cannot be missing. It offers one of the best AI translations, especially with more complex texts. Compared to other translation services, DeepL provides very precise and naturally sounding translations, which are often even better than those of human translators. Google Translate is the classic among translation tools. With Google's AI, you can translate more than 100 languages. Particularly exciting is the possibility of using the camera function to translate text directly with the camera. LingvaNex is another useful tool that supports translations in multiple languages. It also offers the ability to translate complete websites and documents and supports both text and voice translations. Image editing with AI. In the field of image editing, there are many powerful tools. Runway offers impressive features including automatic background removal and object replacement. It uses AI to creatively transform your images. Perfect for designers and content creators. Canva is another tool that uses AI to simplify design processes. With the AI-driven template search, you can quickly create designs that match your content. Especially for social media, Canvas is an excellent choice as it offers many templates and elements optimized by AI. Photo offers AI-supported image editing features that are both simple and effective. It provides automatic enhancements and retouching as well as tools for creating collages and designs. Ideal if you have little time for image editing. Create websites with AI. Wix ADI offers an easy-to-use AI for creating websites, helping you quickly build a site. You simply enter a few basic pieces of information and Wix ADI takes care of the design and structure. Especially for beginners, it is a great way to create a professional website without in-depth technical knowledge. Bookmark offers similar functionality and uses AI to create websites within minutes. By simply entering information, you can get a fully functioning website. WordPress with AI plugins is another way to create websites and enhance them with AI-supported features. Here, plugins such as those for OpenAI are used to automatically create text or optimize content. The Personal AI Coach. For those seeking a personal coach, Replika is an interesting choice. It is an AI with which you can have conversations, whether for self-reflection, emotional support, or simply for entertainment. Replika remembers your conversations and can provide personalized responses. Woebot is an artificial intelligence specifically designed to function as a psychological coach. It provides support in coping with anxiety, depression and stress, and is particularly helpful if you want to improve your mental health. Wysa offers similar features to Woebot and is a great tool for finding support in difficult times. The AI asks questions to help you better understand yourself and find solutions to your problems. Summary. Despite the comprehensiveness of my explanations, we cannot cover all areas where you can try artificial intelligence yourself within this contribution. The list of different application areas is almost endless. For example, various automation tools are missing here, which I have partly covered in my previous contribution. From text creation to image and music production, personal advice to process automation. AI tools are indispensable in our everyday lives. Moreover, the market for AI tools is constantly changing. This can be very challenging, but also extremely exciting. In the upcoming 10th and final episode of this series, we will take a look at the future of these technologies. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about artificial intelligence, then subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any episode of the series. I am very happy about your comments. Write to me which aspects of AI fascinate you the most or what questions you have. This way I can tailor the content even more to your interests. Thank you for being here today. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video when we look together into the future of AI. Stay curious.